Are you a teenager looking for ways to make extra money? Whether you're saving up for something special or just want to be financially independent, today we're breaking down 10 ways you can start making money right now as a teenager in 2024. And trust me, these aren't just your typical lawn mowing or babysitting jobs. We're diving into opportunities that are flexible, creative, and perfect for today's digital age. Let's get started. One, freelancing online. In 2024, one of the best ways to make money as a teenager is by freelancing online. If you have skills like graphic design, video editing, writing, or even social media management, you can start offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The best part? You can work from anywhere. Set your own hours and choose projects that you're passionate about. And the pay can be pretty great too. Here's a tip. Start small. Build your portfolio with some smaller projects, and as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can start charging more for your services. 2. Creating content on social media. Let's face it, you're probably already spending time on social media. So why not turn that into an opportunity to make money? Whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or even Snapchat, content creation can be a fun and rewarding way to earn cash. Brands are always looking for influencers, even micro-influencers, to promote their products. If you're passionate about a specific niche, like fashion, gaming, or fitness, you could build a loyal following and start monetizing through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or ad revenue. Don't forget that consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and experiment with trends to grow your following. 3rd, tutoring or teaching online. If you're great at a subject in school, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? In 2024, online tutoring has never been easier. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Preply, and even Zoom make it simple to connect with students who need help in subjects like math, science, or even say T-Prep. You can set your own rates and schedule, making it a flexible side hustle that works around your school and extracurriculars. Bonus tip, you can even offer tutoring for creative subjects like photography or music. There's a demand for all kinds of knowledge, so think about what you're good at and offer your expertise. 4th, selling handmade products. Got a creative side? If you love making jewelry, art, or even clothing, you can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or Depop. It's a great way to turn your hobbies into a money-making business. And thanks to social media, you can also market your products to a larger audience and build your own brand. Pro tip, make sure to take high-quality photos of your products and provide excellent customer service to keep buyers coming back. 5. Pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals. Pet sitting and dog walking are classic ways to earn money as a teen, and in 2024, apps like Rover or Wag have made it super easy to connect with pet owners in your neighborhood. You can set your availability, meet new furry friends, and get paid for taking care of pets while their owners are away. Plus, it's a great way to get some exercise and fresh air. Pro tip, the more reliable you are, the more clients will recommend you. So build your reputation and get glowing reviews. 6. Reselling clothes or collectibles. Do you have a closet full of clothes you don't wear anymore? Or maybe you're into sneakers, vintage items, or even collectible trading cards? Reselling is a big trend in 2024, and platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and StockX make it easy to flip items for a profit. Whether it's finding hidden gems at thrift stores or reselling limited edition items, you can start building a side hustle around this. Keep an eye out for trends. What's popular today may not be tomorrow, so stay in the loop and price your items competitively. 7th, virtual assistant work. Believe it or not, businesses and entrepreneurs often need virtual assistants to help with tasks like responding to emails, managing social media, or even scheduling meetings. As a teenager, you can start working remotely as a virtual assistant on platforms like TaskRabbit or Zirtual. You don't need a lot of experience, just good organization skills and a willingness to learn. This job is perfect for teens who are tech savvy and want a flexible schedule. 8. Working for delivery apps. Delivery apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats are becoming increasingly popular, and in 2024, you can make money delivering food or groceries in your spare time. Some places allow teens to sign up if they're old enough to drive, and you can set your own schedule to make deliveries whenever it works for you. Tip: the more deliveries you make, the more tips you can earn, so focus on providing great service. 9. Monetizing your hobbies. Maybe you're into photography, music production, gaming, or writing. In 2024, there are countless ways to monetize your hobbies online. You could sell your photos on stock photography sites, offer music tracks to content creators, or even start a blog or YouTube channel about your favorite games. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi allow fans to support creators directly, so there's no limit to what you can achieve. Get creative with how you share your talents, and you might be surprised by how many people are willing to pay for your work. 10. Starting a small business. Finally, if you've got a knack for business, why not start your own? You could offer services like lawn care, car washing, or tech support for neighbors and family friends. Or go digital and set up an online store selling products you're passionate about. Entrepreneurship is a great way to learn valuable skills and potentially make a lot more than you would with a traditional job. Start small, but think big. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your side hustle into a real business. So, there you have it. 10 ways to start making money as a teenager in 2024. Whether you're freelancing online, creating content, or starting a small business, there are so many opportunities out there. The key is to find something you enjoy and stick with it. And remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and entrepreneurship.